Hello, my name is Sven Denecken. I'm heading the SAP S/4HANA Product Success and Co-Innovation Content team. Today, live from the home office, I'm happy to present you the highlights of our latest SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2005 release and the benefit it brings to all of us. As you know, we work on enhancing our features continuously based on feedback from customers and partners, this to ensure the best possible outcome for our clients. Let me start by naming the two new features this update brings for manufacturing and supply chain. First, physical inventory monitoring. With this new situation handling use case, we're enriching our intelligent ERP capabilities by leveraging process steps in cycle counting. This increases overall inventory accuracy and enables real-time reporting of your company's warehouse stock. Second, we're introducing a new app, the SAP Fiori Kanban board app. This graphical board makes it easy to constantly monitor control cycles with the circulating Kanban containers. For high flexibility, we even enable this feature for different business users in lean manufacturing to supervise and improve processes through quick actions. This release is a big one in finance as well. So let me take some time today to explain my number one highlight in this area, which is advanced payment management. What we provide here is basically one system, which you can use in order to monitor and approve payments for both SAP and non-SAP systems. Having a central hub for this action leads to increased level of automation for the entire end-to-end processes and a better visibility for our cash flow. It can't get much easier than that. Next on, we have an innovation in the area of enterprise portfolio and project management to mention, which is the integration for enterprise projects with sales orders. This integration enables you to assign sales order items to billing elements within enterprise projects for selected use cases. A new SAP best practice process helps you to implement and test the new integration capability. With 205, we also support more complex hierarchical project revenue accounting scenarios through enablement of multiple billing elements in a project. In sum, you have way more flexibility and can drastically reduce your manual efforts at the same time. Automation at its best. One more word about integration. We have advanced the integration of SAP S/4HANA Cloud and SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central. This to provide one aligned workforce data model used by all SAP applications. The clear benefit, next to a harmonized and simplified integration setup, we minimize the replication errors and automate users and role provisioning. Last but not least, let me just name two of the many improvements we've made for the SAP Activate methodology. We reduced the processing time associated with requesting new scope activation, which reflects the efficiency improvements made in the product and service center processing. We also added new tasks to the discover phase to improve the customer guidance related to determining scope through value-driven analysis. As always, we're investing in our products intelligent and automation with SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation. Check out the SAP Best Practice Explorer to see how hundreds of bots can help you to meet your automation goal. I would like to invite you to engage in the SAP S/4HANA Cloud customer community, where you can check for the latest product resources, ask questions to LOB experts, get support for your projects and share your learnings. The SAP S/4HANA experts are going the extra mile to uplift the entire community. So, please stay tuned for my new blog to learn more about the new functionality of SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2005. In addition, you can always check out our S/4HANA Cloud landing page at sap.com/s4-cloud release. Make sure you join the SAP S/4HANA movement and benefit from the latest innovations. Thanks for tuning in. See you for the next release update.